You can fulfill orders and manage customers through your Squarespace website. To view your orders, first open the Products and Services panel and click Orders. Click any order to open the order details. To mark an order as fulfilled, click Mark as Fulfilled, or click Mark as Pending to change to Pending. To cancel a pending order and issue a full refund, click Cancel. For a partial refund, click Refund, then edit the refund amount to reflect the portion of the order total you want to refund. To bulk fulfill pending orders, go to the Pending tab and select more than one order before marking as fulfilled. To mark all pending orders as fulfilled, check the box in the action bar that appears above, then click Mark as Fulfilled. To restock inventory, find the product you want to edit. Each product displays the following: Product, Visibility, SKU, Stock, and Price. Click the Price field to enter a new price. Click the Stock field to enter a new number. Click the arrow to show variants. Variants are used to create additional options for a product, like different colors, sizes, or designs. To add variants, first go to Products under the Products and Services panel. From there, click a product. Then go to Inventory, Edit All, and Manage Options. For more detailed steps, visit the Adding Product Variants guide linked below. After adding product options and variants, return to Inventory to customize SKU. To review and edit extensions, open the Extensions panel. In the Extensions panel, you can browse our third-party services by category or search by keyword. Click an extension. Review the extension details, especially any third-party pricing information. Then click Connect. To view the Customers panel, open the Lists and Segments panel. Click Customers. A list of your customers displays in the panel. You can sort the list by details like name, email address, and last order date. Click Filter for other filter options. To search for specific customers by name or email address, enter text in the search field. Click a customer to view their customer details like their spending and order history. Click Full Profile for a complete overview of their contact information and site engagement. From here, you can add tags and internal notes. To export your list of customers, click the export icon in the top right corner, then click Confirm. To enable customer accounts, open the Selling panel and click Customer Accounts. Switch the toggle on. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.